not hate making videos, you hate re-recording them. Same script, same microphone, same line 10 times because the tone is slightly off. That is not creativity, that is friction. Megatranscript voice cloning fixes that. Here is the brilliance. You provide Megatranscript with a single clean sample of your voice. Seconds later, it is cloned. Your voice, your tone, your style, ready to narrate anything you type. No robots, no stock voices, just you, perfectly digital, perfectly consistent. Here is how it works. Step 1, open Megatranscript and select voice cloning. Step 2, add a new voice profile, name it, pick the language, select gender, and choose your use case, documentary, podcast, audiobook, or conversational. Step 3, upload a high-quality, clear voice sample. The cleaner the audio, the better the results. Step 4, Megatranscript processes your sample and creates a digital version of your voice. It is now fully cloned and ready to use in any project. Once your voice is cloned, you move to generating audio. Open text-to-speech. Paste your script. Select your cloned voice, hit generate, listen, download, drop it straight into your project. Change a line, regenerate, new video, regenerate, long video, short clip, 2 a.m. revision, regenerate. Still your voice, still your style, 0 retakes. Creators do not need AI voices, they need control. Speed, consistency. Megatranscript gives you your voice back without chaining you to a microphone. Start for free today on Apple, Google Play, or at megatranscript.com. Make your videos faster, sound consistent, keep your energy where it belongs in your creativity, not in endless retakes.
This is my voice, cloned exactly as I speak. No microphones, no retakes, no late night frustration. I did this with Megatranscript, and now the world is hearing it. Every sentence, every nuance, every line, mine. Perfectly captured, perfectly ready. Imagine the videos, the content, the ideas I can now bring to life instantly. Megatranscript didn't just clone my voice, it gave me power, control, speed, consistency. This is not the future, this is now. Your voice, your creativity.
Your content brought to life faster, smarter, and exactly how you want it. Start today on Apple, Google Play, or at megatranscript.com.